This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying the essentials so you can rule out easy causes. First, verify game files in your client. This replaces corrupted files. Once done, check Apex server status and make sure your ISP isn't blocking ports. Next, update GPU drivers and Windows. Outdated drivers often break matchmaking. Also, reboot your router and PC. Simple power cycles clear stale DNS and NAT states. Finally, set your DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8, and prepare for the next configuration steps. You now tackle networking and account issues that block server discovery. Start by enabling UPnP on your router or forward required Apex/EA ports. NAT type must be open for stable sessions. Once done, flush DNS, run ipconfig/renew, and disable VPNs or proxies because they mask your true route. Then repair the EA app or game client to fix auth tokens. Make sure you sign out of EA and sign back in to refresh session data. This resolves many hidden account mismatches. You finish by isolating remaining causes and applying last resort fixes. First, test Apex on a different PC or a fresh Windows user account to isolate local profile corruption. If the problem persists, reinstall the game but back up settings and keybinds first. Once reinstalled, verify ports and router firewall rules again. If nothing works, contact your ISP to confirm they aren't blocking EA servers. Many blocks are subtle. One key troubleshooting tip: use a mobile hotspot to determine if the issue is your ISP or...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.